If you're looking for a quick and easy way to automatically categorize your transactions for tax season, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it in just a few minutes so you don't have to stress come tax time. We'll be using a powerful software that makes the process seamless, but before we dive in, I've got an exclusive free trial link for you in the description if you want to follow along. First off, let's talk about why automating your transaction categorization is so important for tax season. Trying to manually categorize hundreds of transactions can be overwhelming, especially when you're pressed for time. By automating the process, you save hours and avoid mistakes that could cost you when filing. The software we'll be using can automatically assign categories to your transactions based on your spending history and the rules you set up, making it way easier to stay organized. So, let's get started. The first step is to connect your bank accounts and credit cards to the software. You simply log into your account through the software, and it securely syncs all your transactions. No need to download any statements or enter information manually. Once your accounts are connected, the software will start categorizing your transactions automatically. It uses machine learning and a predefined set of categories, so transactions like groceries or dining out will be sorted with no effort on your part. But it doesn't stop there. You can set up custom categories for things that are unique to your situation, like business expenses or personal spending. Now, let's talk about how you can customize the categorization. For example, if you make a purchase at a store that the software doesn't recognize, you can assign a category to that store, and it will remember it for next time. You can even set up recurring rules. So for example, if you frequently pay for software subscriptions, you can automatically categorize those as software expenses each time. This saves time in the long run. Once the transactions are categorized, you can review them to ensure everything is in the right place. The software allows you to adjust anything that looks off, but generally speaking, the more you use it, the smarter it gets. It'll start learning your preferences and automatically make accurate suggestions for future transactions. At this point, you'll want to categorize everything that could impact your tax filing. This might include things like charitable donations, medical expenses, or business-related purchases. Having everything organized and categorized will make it super easy to generate tax reports when the time comes. And here's the best part. After your transactions are categorized, the software can generate a report that you can easily export. This means you'll have a clean, organized document with everything you need for tax filing. Whether you use an accountant or file yourself, this will save you tons of time. As you can see, automating your transaction categorization for tax season is not only easy, it's efficient. The software does most of the heavy lifting for you, and the customization options ensure it works for your specific needs. To quickly recap, first, you connect your bank accounts, then the software automatically categorizes your transactions. You can set up custom categories and recurring rules to make it even easier. Once everything's sorted, you can generate tax reports with just a few clicks. The key takeaway here is that automating this process is a huge time saver and ensures accuracy come tax season. If you haven't already, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below to try out the software for yourself and follow along with this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you prepare for tax season. Don't forget to grab that free trial and start categorizing your transactions automatically today.